What's up, guys? It's Friday morning in Laughlin, Nevada here. We're gonna get ready to qualify at 10 a.m. this morning. So we woke up butt crack early just to get to the driver's meeting at 7. Other than that though, we haven't really seen the truck that much. We kind of just got here late Thursday night and registered for qualifying. But other than that though, we're just gonna go look at the car right now, see if anything catches our eye, if anything we need to do, and kind of just wait till qualifying. What's up, guys? We just got back from the qualifying drivers meeting. Now we're getting the truck all ready for qualifying. We got the qualifying setup on there, trying to have a fast, nice, smooth run. Hopefully come out with a top qualifier, maybe a top 3, but we'll see what happens and let you guys know what happens. Fun run lap before and then see the track. Then we're gonna run the race lap and see what we can do. So enjoy these videos and see what's up after. Alright, so we just got back from qualifying and it was an absolute blast. The course was so much fun, super fast paced, and yeah, we're hoping for a top 3. It definitely felt like one. It was really fast and we made no mistakes. So now we're just tearing apart the truck, just fixing it all up for race day, and then we're going to take it to tech contingency later.
Qualifying's done. We went out there, Tanner tore it up, all of his braking points were perfect, railed all the corners, freaking rear gear was perfect. Should be sitting really good today. We're super pumped about how he did.
Hey guys, what's going on? So we just got finished with qualifying right now. Tanner did a great job. He was just railing it out there. We're going over the truck right now. We're not really finding anything major wrong. We're going to change the third member out. We're going to put the higher ring and pinion in. It's kind of something we do every time. We like to have a qualifying gear in there to give us a better shot at a higher qualifying spot. And after this, we're going to go back over to tech, contingency, kind of run it through there. But so far, so good.
Style. Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
Alright, so we just got back at the pit after tech and contingency. The truck's all here ready to go for race day. It looks like we came out with P2 officially for qualifying, right behind Jason McNeil, so we're super excited about that. Jason McNeil's super fast, so hopefully we can just pace off him, run a good pace for race day. And yeah, so let's get it tomorrow and see what we can do. Thanks for watching the video and stay tuned for part 2.